Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. Week 11. We're finally at the end. We're here to present our stuff. It's going to be really great. So presentations are going to happen tomorrow. That's correct. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. Let's get started. So yeah, this week we're going to have presentations, just preparing for your presentation, what options you have to go about it, and then there's some shot lists and their importance. And really that's what we're going to be focusing on. So presentations, you have two options to do this. So your option is either to do it on the live lecture or to do it through the discussions. Please take a look at the assignment. It's under week 11 for the discussion assignment. That's why it's really important. So here's what you can do. If you don't want to do it in the live lecture, you can do it on if you can't make it for live lecture, you can do it in the discussion. So you'll need to post your video of your presentation or a link to the video in the discussion, and then you need to, for your initial post, put your presentation in a brief summary. If you've done it in class, you're also going to need just to put your brief summary on the discussion post, and that's it. Now, keep in mind, if you don't show up for a lecture to present live, then you have to reply to every student. So you need to respond and give solid critiques to all the students that are in class that don't present. So, for example, if you don't present in class, you have to reply to every single discussion post, to the brief summaries, and to give honest feedback to help you out. So that's it. So if you come to a presentation, cool. All you have to do is just post your brief summary, no reply post. If you don't, post your presentation on the discussion, and then you need to reply to everybody and give solid feedback about everything. That's pretty much the goal of it, and that's what you need to do. Now, for preparing for your presentation, what you're going to need to include a walkthrough of your demo reel. So the presentation is going to be about 5 minutes long. You need to make sure that you walk through the demo reel. What are your main aspects about it? And also, I would like you to explain in your presentation, what do you believe your demo reel says about you? Who's your target audience? What are you most proud of? What did you learn from the feedback you received throughout the quarter, and how did you affect your development? And also a couple images of your shot list, and that's pretty much it. That's all I'm really looking for your presentation, and that's all. You can do this in a video on your discussion, or you can do this live in class. That would be really great. Other than that, that's all I got. So just be prepared. You have your presentation coming up. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, that's all we got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy. Let me know if you need anything, and we can go from there. All right. Bye, everybody. Thank you.